Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, certainly the biggest event of our secondary severe weather season, but the good news is that severe weather threat has ended. A lot of tornado warnings, though, late this afternoon and early this evening. Chris Conley and Jeff Blair both out chasing the storms. Jeff was in southern Posey County when that rotating storm passed just west of Mount Vernon, and Chris tracked the storms in Union and Henderson counties, and he got a great shot of a wall cloud that approached Morganfield. And we saw a lot of these today. And these sometimes form on the southwestern side of a severe storm, and this is the part of the storm that can produce a tornado. This is where you see the rotation come down from the mid-levels, and we had a lot of rotating wall clouds today, and then of course the next step would be a funnel cloud and then a tornado, but fortunately we saw nothing more than a funnel cloud or two. Most of them were just rotating wall clouds, but when they start to get that low and they're spinning, the Weather Service is going to put out a warning, and we had numerous warnings, but fortunately no confirmed touchdowns. And we are done with the severe weather threat for today. The back edge of the rain approaching Highway 41, but it's still going to take a while to get all the rain out of here. The cold front is still off to our west, so it's going to be a mild night despite the fact that we had the showers and storms roll on through. The rain continues very steadily east of 41 and will gradually diminish as we head through the overnight hours. It looks like the rain has quit in Mount Vernon, and that back edge now approaching the Evansville, Henderson, Newburgh area. Could be a rumble or two of thunder in our eastern counties, but again, nothing to worry about. Our Heads Construction Tower camera came in handy as we watched that squall line push into the Evansville, Henderson area, and this is what it looked like. Kind of a nice shelf cloud that came in from the west. You can kind of see it right there. And of course, we had that significant damage down near the high school in parts of south or areas southeast of the city of Henderson. But it was just pockets of damaging wind, and that was certainly good, especially considering we had that moderate risk right up to our doorstep late this afternoon. We're still 65. Winds are still out of the southeast, still rather windy at 13 miles per hour, and everybody's still in the 60s. We're going to wind up around 60 for still a mild overnight low. The front's really not going to punch through until around daybreak tomorrow morning. We get the band of storms moving east, and that severe weather threat goes all the way down to the Gulf Coast tonight. But the upper level low is spinning here just north of St. Louis, and it's not going anywhere for the next couple of days. So even though we get the warm, humid, and unstable air out of here overnight, the scattered showers will continue by daybreak. Still maybe some heavier rain in our far eastern counties, but it's going to be a mostly cloudy, windy, and much cooler day with scattered showers off and on, highs only up into the mid-60s. We won't really see the temperatures rise all that much. The rain's going to let up some tomorrow night, but then another wave comes in by daybreak on Wednesday morning. So another mostly cloudy day, more scattered showers and even cooler, but not as windy. Highs on Wednesday around 60 degrees. Thursday will start off with clouds, maybe a few scattered showers, but then the clouds will hopefully give way to some sun as we head into Thursday afternoon, setting the stage for a much nicer October weekend. So mostly cloudy overnight. The steady rains will gradually diminish west to east, still mild with lows around 60. Mostly cloudy tomorrow, more scattered showers, windy and much cooler, mid-60s for the high. More scattered showers on Wednesday, 60 for the high. And then Thursday we see the clouds give way to some sun, 65. And the weekend looking good, partly to mostly sunny skies and highs back to normal, right around 70 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So a little touch and go earlier today, but fortunately not too much damage. And now we can sit back and at least look forward to a nice weekend.
All right, we'll take that for sure.
Yeah.
Still ahead, the story.